Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss same passive income project which is called as Golden Nugget. We have already reviewed their project earlier. So there has been some changes in the contract of this particular project and we will be reviewing it from scratch. Before we start the video, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and any advice given on this particular channel is just our review. It's not considered as a financial advice. Whenever you are investing in a project, so please make sure you do your due diligence before investing. So let's get this video started. So if we go to the main page of the website, which is goldennugget.app, all of the links will be left in the description. So once we open the main page, after scrolling down a bit, so we can see like winning strategy. So our members have tried and tested out hundreds of strategies to find out what gives the best return in the longer run. So the best strategy is to bury gold a few times per day, repeat that cycle for 6 days and then sell it on 7 day. Repeat and you can get your initial investment back in 6 to 8 weeks. So that's one of the big advantage. Now scrolling down a bit more, but remember, every time you bury gold, you have the chance to win the motherland bonus pool. This will likely be much more than you originally invested. So that's one of the main prime factor in this particular website. So you could be getting something from the bonus pool, and that can be more than what you have invested. Now if we scroll down a bit up, and once I'll click on the minor facts, so the daily return varies from like 3 to 8%, that is guaranteed, APR of 2920, and development and marketing fees of 3%. So when you are investing, you will be charged like 3% of the fees. So how that project works is basically in the contract, display TVL is the total locked value of the smart contract miner, which will be here. And then hired miners, they are miners which are hired using BNB, and then they will gain your daily rewards. Miners do not have a price, so in the back end, so these miners are basically BNB, and that can fluctuate based on the market. So buy gold, when you buy gold, you are increasing the amount of miners working for you. That is basically considered as your initial investment. Buy gold displays blue when a BNB amount is entered into the window, just clicking the above. So click on hire minus to confirm deposit. So gas fees around like 0.11 cent and 3% dev fees, which will be on the deposit and withdrawal. Scrolling down a bit more, so bury gold. So minimum bury gold is 0.1 BNB. That is the minimum investment which you have to do. Sell gold means whatever amount you have whatever amount which you have accumulated in form of BNB. Now you can take that one out as a profit. But once you are going to take your profit out, so there will be a 3% fees. And you can also follow their referral strategy. Invite your friends and family if anyone is interested in the project, and you will be earning 12.5 of the percent of the miners which they are going to purchase. So let's scroll down a bit more. So please note there are some important things which I wanted to highlight for this particular thing. So this is a logged smart contract which you need to be very careful. So the amount which you have invested, it's going to locked forever. You cannot take your seed investment out. Rewards fluctuate between like 1 to 8% depending on the several factors including like TVL, amount, selling and buying habits of the investor. So following the 6 to 1 ratio is recommended, and that has been tried best by all the members. There are no limits or restriction on bury sell. Whenever you want to do it, you can do it, but remember every time a standard gas fees is applied. Burying will not show amount on BSC scan. Golden Nugget mine is a high risk, high reward, which they are clearly saying here. The contract has an anti-whale mechanism. This ensures a long-lasting, profitable project. If you want to get like in-depth insights of their project, so this is watch our how-to videos. So if I try to open it, so they have an official YouTube channel which explains you all of the stuff.
Hello,
So
everyone.
let's go to videos, and you can find all of the details, how to connect on using your mobile, what makes us different, golden like bonus pool demo, the website is down, what do I do. So golden nugget contract update. So this is the important thing which I wanted to share with you guys is, so they were having some problems with their initial contract, and I spoke to the owner of this particular project, and we have been in touch lately like since a while. So he has advised me, so they have refunded money to all of the investors. Whatever was invested, they have returned back to their wallets because there was some problem with the contract. So this clearly shows that the guy was not behind money, like he didn't wanted to steal or scam away. So he came back with a more stronger contract, and now the current value of that TVL, the new contract, is 20.27 BNB. And I can see like more investors are coming in the project and they are doing their marketing part like in a very good way. So the guy told me like the new contract is this particular one, and now people can start to invest. But the thing which I want to highlight about this project is it is a stable project, like they are not going to run away. That's what the owner told me, because if they wanted to run away, so they must have like tons of BNB stocked in already, and they could have run away. Like they could have removed the website from the internet, stole all the money, and they could have easily went away. But they didn't in this particular case. So they came back with a new contract, and now they are asking people to reinvest if anybody is interested. And all of the details are here, so you can check everything. So how you can claim their free tokens, walk through the current contract and functionality. So if I try to review their current contract, so it says like currently they have 20.27 BNB and the TVL value is 7,286, and it will keep on growing. I'm seeing like people are coming in their project a lot, and you can see from here, very gold, very gold, very gold, like tons of people are coming in and they are like doing the and they are like buying the project. These are the same people like who were refunded earlier, and you can join their Telegram group. Everything is like quite crystal clear. You can talk to people, they have already gotten their money back, and the owner is very nice. You can ask any technical questions and he's very happy to answer it. He's a very humble guy. And if you want to join their Telegram group, so that's their Telegram group, and you can join it from here, which is listed on the website. That's their Twitter page, 112 followers, which is quite like good. And people are like making some new YouTube videos on how you can invest in the project, which is quite good. So if you want to purchase their project, so the simple thing you need to do is just connect your wallet, which will be MetaMask, and then after the wallet has been successfully connected, you should be seeing your contract address here. So how we can buy their particular project is, so we need to click on, let's say currently in my wallet, so I've got like couple of BNB, so I'm going to show you demo how we can buy it. So let's say if I'm going to buy it for, so once I'll add this price here, I need to click on hire gold miners, and I should be seeing a contract notification. So the moment my gas fee will be done, automatically I should be seeing some miners here, and then that will be my rewards which I will be getting from those particular BNB. Now on daily basis, I should be getting rewards, and then those rewards will be in form of BNB. So remember, always follow 6/1 strategy. So you need to click on Berry Gold for the 6 days, and then on the 7th day just click on sell gold, and then take your profit out. That is the best strategy, which will take all of your investment back in maybe in less than 2 to 4 weeks. But with every transaction it comes with a gas fee, and then there is a bonus pool, so you can also get some money from that depending on like if you are lucky. So winning strategy is always explained here in terms of the referral link, which you can share it with your friends, and that is here. So referral link, so you can copy the link directly from here. The good thing about this website is they've added like a QR code, so you can share this QR code with your friends. It seems like more fancy and more like professional. So guys, that's it from my today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and have a good one. Thank you so much.